If Discord keeps throwing error 2002, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that can help get Discord screen sharing and capture working again, step by step. We'll turn on hardware acceleration, adjust the advanced capture setting, and then clear Discord's local cache to refresh the app. This is one of those errors that can be annoying, but in many cases, it can be fixed pretty quickly with the right settings. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Discord tips, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find app settings, then click advanced. Here, look for hardware acceleration and toggle it on. Discord will ask you to relaunch the app, so click OK to restart it. Hardware acceleration can help Discord run more smoothly, and often fixes display and capture-related problems, especially if the app is having trouble rendering correctly. After Discord opens back up, go back into user settings again. This time, navigate to voice and video. Scroll down until you reach the screen share section. There, you'll see an option that says Use our most advanced technology to capture your screen. Turn that option on. This setting can improve screen sharing performance and help Discord detect your screen more reliably, which is especially useful if error 2002 is happening when you try to stream or share your display. If you're still seeing the issue, the next step is to clear Discord's local cache. Before you do anything else, close Discord completely. Make sure it is not just minimized in the background. Open Task Manager and end any Discord-related processes, so the app is fully shut down. This part matters because the cache files won't be removed properly if Discord is still running. Now press Win and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Find the folder named Discord and delete it. This removes some of the app's stored data that may be causing the error. Next, press Win and R again. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. In this folder, find the Discord folder again and delete it as well. This clears out more local files and helps reset Discord's temporary data. Once both folders are deleted, reopen Discord and sign back in. Give it a moment to rebuild the necessary files and reload your settings. In many cases, this fresh start is enough to fix error 2002 and get screen sharing working normally again. If the problem was caused by corrupted local data, this step can make a big difference. So to recap, the 3 main fixes are enabling hardware acceleration, turning on the advanced screen capture option, and clearing Discord's local cache. Try them in order and test Discord after each one so you can see which solution worked. If this video saved you time, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.